What's going on, guys? Here is another video. Today we are going to talk about cryptocurrencies. Now currently there's a war going on in Russia and Ukraine, and every time there is blood in the streets, well, basically we are looking for buys, and this is what we're going to do today, so check it out. So my first project for today is Avalanche. Now if you haven't heard about Avalanche, basically if we compare it to Ethereum, it is much faster, and when it comes to transaction of the coins, so pretty much here in front of me is the website, and here blazingly fast, low cost and eco-friendly. So blazingly fast means they are among the most important and most notorious coins, the fastest ones. And here if we take a look at this screen in front of me, so here are the comparison to Bitcoin, Ethereum and Polkadot, and here transactional finality. So Bitcoin has 60 minutes, Ethereum 6 minutes, Polkadot being the fastest with 60 seconds, and here we have Avalanche with less than 2 seconds. So this is what blazingly fast means. And if we look here in general at Avalanche compared to energy efficient and all the other data, it is pretty much top at the moment. So this is why I believe in future this will skyrocket and get back up. And so here if we quickly take a look at the analysis, the technical. So here is the chart, and we saw here a bit of a lower point when we traded below 10 and broke to 100, almost 50, which means roughly times 15. So let's make it simple and take time tens. So here was the previous or the current support and resistance zone. So what happened here was pretty simple. We traded below the support resistance area here. Here we tried to break, got rejected. Here we saw the breakthrough, couple of retests here, the first one, the second one, the third one, and here we rallied off of this zone right here. Here again pushed all the way lower to 50 and rallied again, which means a lot of people who have money, let's call them banks or organizations, billionaires, whatever, they are here waiting for buys, which means they want the market to go higher, since obviously they don't want to lose money. So basically we are waiting here for, since we could go lower here, waiting for a pullback, and here we want to enter. And you could try to enter here as well, it doesn't really matter, but the point is we want to enter and to look for buys here, and we want to be bullish on this long-term project. So this is why we are buying Avalanche and why I'm pretty interested in it. As mentioned previously, it is currently the fastest method when it comes to transferring coins. So basically this was the project or the cryptocurrency number one, and let's go to the second one. So the next one is Bitcoin, and here we have the Apple co-founder Wozniak, who is talking about Bitcoin and that it, according to his opinion, it will reach 100,000 in the future. So Bitcoin, again, something that has been in the past, I think since 2000, early 2000 years, not quite sure exactly when it became famous. But again, Bitcoin is something that is known worldwide as the most important or most famous cryptocurrency. So this is why Bitcoin is always a safer investment when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Of course, at the same time, it's the most expensive one, so not the easiest one to make money off of at the moment right now. But here again we are taking a look at the technical analysis or at the chart, whatever. So here 2018 was the highest point at 18,000. Then we here struggled for years, and suddenly we broke to the upside. So here now struggling again, and what we see here again is an area of buyer stepping in. If we go down to the daily and zoom out a bit and take the multiple time frame analysis, so here retest spiked up here, tried to jump, didn't make it, tried to jump, didn't make it, and here the breakthrough again. He almost hit this level. So what we see here again are buyers at these levels, since obviously people who invested in Bitcoin, there are people who have millions of them, and at the moment one is worth roughly 38,000, 39,000. So to make it simple, let's say 40,000. And if you have millions of Bitcoins, or even hundreds of Bitcoins, or thousands of Bitcoins, and one is worth 40,000, you're not just gonna let them drop to, I don't know, $1 or below a couple of $100. So the main thing here why Bitcoin is interesting, again, it is the most famous one, and we are seeing constantly buyers coming in, stepping in at this level here, which means basically we got rejected here at the 60,000 level, but at the same time buyers come here, step in. So once we break here, we will reach the 100,000. We almost reached 70,000, so there is only 30,000 to go after 70,000. So the next break to this upside will be a break, and then we will reach the 100,000 levels.